Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing this my pretty face for the first time, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, you have this. I really appreciate. So in today's recipe, we are making an egg roll. Guess what? You will not like to mix it. You won't like to miss this recipe. It's a mouth-watering recipe and it's budget friendly. You can even use it to start up a side hustle or a small scale of business. So I'm going to teach you how you can make your egg roll like a pro. So follow me, let's get started. So as you can see here, I have a bowl. I have groundnut oil, half cup. I have 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and a pinch of salt, and 7 eggs. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to measure 3 cup of flour. So I've measured in 3 cup of flour. So let me measure 1 cup of sugar. So this is 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to add in the nutmeg. I'm going to add in, and this is the milk flavor. You can as well add the liquid milk. So you add in your milk flavor, pinch of salt, and this is the groundnut oil. You can use your butter. So why I'm using groundnut oil is should in case you want to use it to start up a business, you can know how many butter do you think that you can buy. I know the situation of country now. In case you want to use it to start up a side hustle, this groundnut oil still serves the same purpose as butter. So this is half cup of groundnut oil. So you mix everything together. You mix it until you are not seeing any trace of oil or groundnut oil in it. So this egg is one that we are going to cook. So did you see? So everything has mixed very well. So I'm going to crack in 1 egg. But should in case you're using it for side hustle, you don't need the egg so that you can as well have gain. Do you get? So this egg is optional. So I'm going to crack in 1 egg. Everything I've mixed together, the yeast. I'm going to add in the water. So you'll be adding the water gradually. As when you add small, you mix. So I'm going to add in just more, a little. So and if you are mixing it, as you just be doing it as if you are folding it, do you get? I'm going to cover it to sit for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to leave it here. So, and I'm going to boil the egg. Okay, the egg is done. Okay, I'll start by peeling the egg. The reason why I put this egg inside the cold water is for easy peeling, so that the back can peel out easily. So this is. So I'm done with the egg. Now let's check our dough after 10 minutes. And this is our dough after 10 minutes. So we are going to start now. So firstly, you have to touch the flour with one hand, and then you cut your dough just small like this. Make sure that you use flour. So you press. So I just want people to see what I'm doing. So look at our dough after 10 minutes, and I've peeled the eggs. So this is the flour that we'll be using to do the working. So firstly you cut in a small portion like this. Then you use your finger to flatten it. Remember, you'll be dipping your hands inside the flour. Then you place in. I'm showing you the two methods that you're going to place in your egg. So the first method is you place it by the side as if it's sleeping. Then you cover it. Use your hand to cover it, and you roll it. So as you're rolling it, don't forget to cut out the excess. So you put in your egg and you roll it. Don't forget to cut out the excess if there is any. So you cut again. Then you can as well place it like this. As the flat surface will be down, while the pointed edge will be up. Then you seal it. Remember, you'll be dipping your hand inside the flour. This is what I'm doing. So I'm just using hand to bring out the excess up. You see. So you now cut out the excess and still roll it. Please, if you are able to watch up to this moment, please give this video a thumb up so that YouTube recognize my video to other people. And as well, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? With all this my vibe, please subscribe and also put on your notification bell icon. I'm going to add in the oil. So I will allow this oil to heat for a while. Then we'll now start frying. Remember, you fry your egg roll on a medium heat, not too high, so that it can cook inside very well. So you can see, let me still show you how did this see. So I've removed the excess. So you roll it and put inside your oil. So make sure you are turning it so that it will not get burned. Yeah, so you need to space your egg roll while frying. As you can see, I'm using small pot, so the thing have even rising up. So this one is done. I'm bringing it out. And don't forget to check the description box so that you will see the measurements. So the remaining one, you can also mold it as bun. So look at the remaining dough. So I'm just going to mold it as buns. You see?